AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture. Hello and welcome. This is Neil with AgRevive.com. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the different corn farmers in the United States and where they grow their crops. Now, as you might already know, I'm working with about 550 different corn farmers nationwide, and I'm going to show you how many of these growers there are in the states and where they're located on the map. Now, to save some time, I'm only going to show you the farmers that I'm working with that have more than 10 per state. Otherwise, this video would just be way too long. So in Alabama, I've got 10 corn farmers I'm working with. California, 14. Colorado, 11. Connecticut, 11. Georgia, 23. Illinois, 15. Indiana, 25. Kansas, 11. Maryland, 18. Massachusetts, 11. Michigan, 36. Minnesota, 17. Missouri, 12. New Jersey, 13. New York, 23. North Carolina, 23. Ohio, 30. Pennsylvania, 31. Tennessee, 28. Texas, 10. Virginia, 16. Washington, 16. And Wisconsin, 30. Now, if you're looking for large-scale corn production or bulk or wholesale corn for your mill or silo or storehouse for trade or resale, then I can help you. All you have to do is give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Now, for more information about myself and about AgRevive, please visit www.agrevive.com. There's an agriculture revival coming, and we need to be ready, so I will see you on the website. AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture.